got a gate.
Okay, see, it's all finished, you
Wow.
guys. You see, we have neighborhoods. I mean, no.
We have a
Hi,
neighborhood.
neighbor. Hello, neighbors.
Yo,
Wow.
how do you do, kind sir? Won't you be my neighbor?
Oh, it's our home.
We live here?
Hello, home. It's been a long time.
Hello.
Yeah, and we're back.
Epic.
I'm making doodle first.
Aloha. Welcome. Shoe coverings mandatory. Ooh, nice and warm. Oh, wow, Dad! It's so nice. And you added decor in the middle. Wow. Needs more paintings. Oh, Lance's dog. I want to see Lance's dog. Wait, I'm coming to vlog. Ooh, I remember I chose that painting. Auntie Amy chose that potted plant. But it's fake. Ugh. Where's the dog? Where's your dog?
In my box. My sad little
Aww. It's Doug on Lance's bed. And there's his sad excuse of a table.
My nose is terrifying.
Okay, look at my chin. Oh, it's my room. It's been so long.
Yeah, you're not late.
Oh yeah, my nightlight. Thank you, Dad. I wanted one. Oh look, it's my pictures and my Tsum Tsum. Thank you, Dad. Oh, and there's my closet, my big closet.
And your bathroom.
Oh, my bathroom. Oh yeah, my own bathroom. I need to kind of add more art, but yeah, we're back home. Dang, Edward, I thought you knew where the house was.
Yeah, I was just showing you the other houses.
Like, look, these houses even completed yet, Edward. Jeez. He was like, I know the way. And then he passes the way and I'm like, what the heck? Where are you going, Edward? You know that the turn is right in front of this
Isn't that it?
Esquale.
Is that it?
It's not it. Ah!
Oh, he was gonna make the wrong turn again.
This is it.
Dang, Edward, twice on camera.
No! Oh, there's the key. I was like, where's the fucking key? Let me in!
Fuck, we're gonna get caught, dog.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure you can just go in.
Oh, okay.
Hey, did you put in the code?
But yeah, guys, this is our neighborhood. It's so full and so nice. Look at all
Where's
these
the,
houses.
Wanna see some magic?
Where's the garage?
Wanna see some magic?
Oh,
Boogly, boogly.
look, Edward, the cars that
Electric
park in front of our house, it's not there anymore. Oh wait, they're those.
Oh,
I just did some magic.
Whoa, oogly boogly. There's our house. So on the side of our house, we have that entryway. Cool, huh? And look at the grasses there. It's so cute. And then here's the, what is this called? Landscaping. See that? Look at the grass. It is fake. It's not real. There's the side of our home. Hey guys, welcome to house tour part 2. So we got some landscaping over here and Lance is gonna help us with the tour. We got the side door right there. And now we're gonna go in the house. Oh, forgot to show the landscaping here as well. All right, Lance.
Oh, God! I stepped on a rock.
All right, when you first come in, we are greeted with this beautiful plant. And there's another plant right there. Here's the living room. And then my mom got this beautiful dining table and chairs. And then we have that flower that my dad installed. This is the same. And in my mom and papa's room, oops, we added this, a wardrobe. Bathroom. Laundry room is still the same from last time. Oh, gotta show what my dad bought. We got this lucky fat cat and this frog, jade frog. Hey, where's the coin in the frog's mouth? There you go.
And do you have Vegas donuts?
There you go. And then here is a frame that my dad installed. Here's the living room.
You gotta turn on the fireplace.
Look, we got this basket for plants. Let's turn on the fireplace. Yeah. Oh, my mom bought this from Ross. And that basket too. I should put this blanket away. Oh, and these pillows. It says home. There you go. Nice. We got this. Hi.
Hello.
And then, Lance, can you show us the backyard, please?
Just want to open the...
Thanks, bro.
Backyard, boom.
This is the backyard. And this is hopefully a pool. And then this is the side of the yard. See? Look, there's the gate again. Ta-da! Some landscaping. Beautiful day. Here's the kitchen. Edward got the banana stand. Oh, my auntie gave us this toaster. What else did we add here? Oh, that's my dad's swords right there.
That's the kill.
Time to go upstairs. Nothing much changed over there, but in my room, for my bathroom, I added more plants. Ta-da! And then my bedroom. We got another plant, a laundry basket, another plant with this big full mirror. I love it. Take selfies. And got this gamer chair and computer desk. And then we got these baskets. Super cute. More hangers and stuff. And here's Lance's room. He also got a gaming chair, a desk, an end table, and this cute humidifier. And he decorated it with flowers. My parents' rooms are still the same, but they just added a humidifier. And my dad got my mom this. And it watches her when she sleeps. It's spooky. But yeah, same bathroom, not much change. And yeah, that concludes our part 2 of house tour. Throwing some drone shots in the end or beginning, I don't know. Bye, laters!